Yes, it is about NEET chemistry series, another video having a type of question. This question, name of the question, what is the IUPAC name of this structure? IUPAC name, determination of IUPAC name, you must know the prefix, after prefix word root, after word root suffix primary, then suffix secondary. This is general rule for writing IUPAC name. IUPAC nomenclature depend upon this prefix, word root, suffix primary, suffix secondary. Prefix means any branch is there. You are selecting a perfect type of chain, perfect type of compound, and other than that of compound, if branch is there, you must write lowest locate number to the branch and write here a prefix like 2-methyl, 3-methyl, means the branch which is known as prefix. And word root means for carbon number 1 meth is the word ane, methane, meth, eth, but, pent, depends upon number of carbon. The main word root is there. After word root primary, suffix primary, ane if single bond is there, ene if double bond is there, an if triple bond is there, and suffix secondary is a function group. Function group, alcohol is there, then it is known as all, alcohol all, aldehyde al, okay, alcohol all, aldehyde all, ketone known. So many types of alcohol, so many types of function groups are there, and with respect to this function group, nomenclature is to be written. By this phenomenon, it is our main part. It is cyclohexene, 1 carbon number 1, carbon number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon containing a ring is there. Not only single bond containing ring, here one type of double bond is present, so it is cyclohexene. Cyclohexene is our main structure, and this CH3CH2 branch means ethyl, it is one of the ethyl part. At the second position, numbering starts from this or this, it is one of the part, numbering starts from this point because the branch is here and double bond is here, including double bond and 2 branches. This is one of the branch for this cyclohexene, second branch for this cyclohexene. Second branch is some type of complicated means alkenyl, it is alkenyl radical, not alkyl radical, it is alkyl radical, single bond containing alkyl radical. So it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, 4, 5, 6. The first 1 ethyl, it is correct, 1 ethyl, CH3CH2, 1 ethyl is correct. At the first position of this cyclohexene, ethyl radical is attached, 1 ethyl. At the second position, the complicated radical is there. Complicated radical means prop 2 enyl. At the second position, the numbering of these branched radical starts from this point. 1, 2, 3. 1 carbon number 1, this is 1 and this is 2. The carbon which is attached to this ring is 1, 2 and this 3. 1, 2, 3 means it is prop 2 enyl. At the second position, ene is there, 2 ene, and YL means a radical, prop 2 enyl cyclohexane. Correct name This is the correct name. 1-ethyl CH3 CH2. 1-ethyl, it is ethyl, 1-ethyl. At the second position, prop, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, it is a prop. At the second position in, and it is the radical enyl. It is radical enyl, not enyl. Prop to enyl, cyclohexene. Okay, very important for NEET examination. You must do the practice, observe so many, write all the types of structures, read this only trick: prefix, word root, suffix primary, suffix secondary. It is prefix, this is the prefix, then the word root and suffix primary, suffix secondary, suffix primary and suffix secondary, suffix primary in, an, yes, and suffix secondary. There is no functional group at all, only double bond containing complicated orbital is there, and this complicated orbital, complicated radical, not orbital, complicated radical, which is to be connected to this point, second point, 1-ethyl cyclohexene, and additional attachment, additional prefix is this. This is one of the additional prefix. It is general prefix, additional prefix, and this is cyclohexene. Cyclohex is the word root. This is word root, and this "-ene" is the suffix primary. Suffix primary, word root, suffix primary, and this big part which is suffix. This is suffix. It is prefix. Complete prefix. Prefix, cyclo, word root, suffix primary. Yes, it is another question of same style, because this question is very important, and important point of view, how to write IUPAC name. IUPAC name, the one question which is compulsory question, which is coming from all types of functional groups, all types of organic compound, all types of double triple bonded compounds. You know about the rule. That rule is PWS, prefix, word root, suffix. Here the observe that which type of functional group is there. Yes, here functional group is there. This is the functional group. Here C double bond O and CHO, it is aldehyde. Hydrogen is not to be written in bond line formula, so I am writing here hydrogen. It is CHO, means this carbon is functional group carbon. Functional group carbon, the numbering starts from here: 1, 2, first branch, 3, and 4, it is also branch, 5. Double bonded part and this aldehyde cover by this number, means maximum number of functional groups, which are covered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6th carbon is here. It is the structure. 6, up to 6, it is the longest chain. This chain includes 2 types of important prior functional groups. The functional group is aldehyde. Carbon of aldehyde is number 1. Always aldehyde carbon or ketone carbon, they are always present at the lowest locant position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and at the 4th carbon there is a branch of CH3CH2. This is carbon, and carbon means it is CH2. Means bond line formula cannot consist of any hydrogen, so it is ethyl, 4-ethyl. Yes, 4-ethyl. Then what is the name 4-ethyl. Yes, it is 4-ethyl, correct. 4-ethyl. 4-ethyl. In this answer here only 4-ethyl is there, and then 2-ethyl. Second position ethyl. Second position ethyl. No, the main part which is very important in the answer. You should observe that which type of main part is there. This is aldehyde. This is aldehyde, means all are al. Okay, 4-ethyl is the main part. 4-ethyl, and that second carbon, it is a methyl. Yes, 2-methyl, correct. 4-ethyl, it is ethyl, and 2-methyl. So according to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, with respect to that, ethyl at first, which is to be written. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. फर्स्ट ई आएगा ना, तो इसलिए इथाइल 4-ethyl, 2-methyl, hex, correct. Hex is the main word root. 5-ene, correct. At the fifth and sixth carbon there is ene, and it is the functional group, the last suffix secondary aldehyde, al. It is al. It is ene, fifth position, fourth position. Then hex is the word root, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons are there. 6 carbon. So yes, it is prefix. At first you must write prefix with respect to their carbon numbers. Prefix, word root, suffix primary, ene, suffix secondary. Suffix primary, ene, ane, an. Ane, ene, an. Single bond, ane. Double bond, ene. Triple bond, an. Suffix secondary, it is the alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, any type of functional group is for suffix secondary. Here functional group is aldehyde, so al is at the last point. Okay, observe that. Yes, another third question, which is very important question. IUPAC name is. This IUPAC name, determination of IUPAC name, it is our structure. It is not benzene structure. It is not closed ring. This is the part. Here you must consider that at first priority functional group is this, and this type of double bond is also there, means number starts from this point. It is the CHO, H is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is one type of chain. And second and fourth position, CH3 means 2,4-dimethyl, 2,4-dimethyl, sorry, 2,4-dimethyl is the main part. Yes, 2,4-dimethyl, it is our prefix at the second position, and 2,4-dimethyl is the prefix, and it is word root, and suffix primary ene, fifth position there is ene, suffix primary, suffix secondary, that is al. It is finally it is al. Al means aldehyde group. This ENEAL, E get cancelled, because after E, if A, I, O, U, Y, after that E, A, E, O, U, Y is present, then in that name A get cancelled. in that name A get cancelled. So our answer is this. Rule is PWS. P means prefix, W means world root, S means suffix primary, another S means suffix secondary. Okay, it is my very short video for IUPAC system. Important questions for IUPAC part. We will see in the next video. Okay, myself Arun Bhange, Parvani. Thank you.